It's
The presence or absence of the videotape would be important if the case actually goes to trial. But prior to that, I really don't see why that changes the situation. So whether you have a videotape that shows that they really were conspiring to get a particular person, or all you have is an allegation by the person who was arrested that the arresting officer said, the only reason why I'm arresting you is because the mayor told me to do it. That's for purposes of a motion to dismiss or summary judgment. It seems to me it counts just as much as the videotape. It's just not as persuasive, perhaps, in the end.
well, now you're my enforcer, I think.
No, I'm not trying to be your enforcer by any means.
It sounds like a very
you don't need
helpful
one
question.
by any.
I think you're saying that's helpful, that every complaint can allege, the officer said something, or, I mean, I hate to do, but Mayor Barry said, he showed up at that Vista Hotel to meet his girlfriend for sex, not the drugs. And the FBI was clearly out to get him. And you didn't know that he did anything wrong until you watched the videotape.
Now, what about these two situations? So there's a protest, and one of the protesters is 6'5" and weighs 250 pounds and used to be a linebacker in college, and gets into an argument with a police officer about something and pushes the police officer. The police officer arrests him, charges him with assault, which is a felony. All right, that's, well, I'll continue.
Go ahead.
All right, then at another protest, the protester is a frail elderly person who weighs 90 pounds and is arrested for assaulting the officer because this person pushed the officer with whatever strength that arrestee has. I mean, in the latter situation, and is charged with assault, what would be the comparator in that situation? You have to find another situation where there's a person of similar stature who.
No, I would loosen, literally, our comparator in this case, had she pled it, could have been anyone who intentionally takes government documents. Didn't have to be even a city official, didn't have to be what kind of document. So again, I would never put this on assault, because every case will be, I just elbowed, everyone else was punching, and I was only arrested. But assuming it's going to do assault, it's easy to allege a comparator. Everyone at the bar was throwing punches, and I was the only one wearing my T-shirt that said, I hate the police. So you meet the comparator requirement easily.
All right, thank you.